This time we will deal with iPhone 6 no speaker sound issue. Go to Settings, Sounds, Ringtone. Select a default ringtone, no output sound. The sound works fine with headphones in, which indicates that the audio IC is working now. Fault might be related to loudspeaker and audio power amplifier circuit. Disassemble the phone and disconnect the battery. Then remove the display assembly. Pry up the charging port flex cable. Switch the multimeter to resistance mode. Measure resistance on pin 1 and pin 2 of charging port flex cable connector. Measured resistance value is 8.2 ohm, normal value, which indicates that louder speaker works normally. Measure resistance between pin 1 of J1817 and grounding, pin 2 and grounding. Measured value is 553, normal value. Also indicate that circuit from charging port connector to U1601 is normal. Take out the logic board and run cosmetics inspection. No water damage or multi condition. Attach logic board to PCB holder. Take down the shielding cover with hot air gun at 320 degrees. Once the logic board has cooled enough, connect the logic board with DC power supply. Short pin 2 of J0801 to the grounding with tweezer. The system will then detect the power button press. Run power supply voltage measurement of U1601. Go with one set of voltage first, PP-BATT-VCC. Measure the voltage value of corresponding capacitor C1635. The voltage value is 4.2 volts, which is normal. Then the second set of voltage PP1V8, VA, L19, L67. Measure the voltage value of corresponding capacitor C1630. The voltage value is 1.8 volts, which is normal. Since there is no measure point of the third set around U1601, we will go with the measurement of filter capacitor around U1601. Measured voltage value of C1603 is 0, abnormal value. Normal voltage value should be 4.2 volts. Switch to diode mode. Measure resistance between C1603 and grounding. Measured value is 495, normal value, which indicates that C1603 hasn't been short-circuited. C1603 works as a filter capacitor of PPL19V boost. It is also outputted by U1601. We can conclude that the fault is related to U1601 relevant circuit. Attach a logic board to PCB holder. Apply some BGA paste flux around U1601. Take down U1601 with hot air gun at 320 degrees. Clean tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Also, when clean tins, add low melting point tins to the bonding pad with soldering iron, which is helpful for subsequent removal of tins. Once done, clean again with PCB cleaner. Measure resistance between pin A6AP to SCAMP reset L of U1601 and grounding. Measure value is 438, normal value. Measure resistance between pin A2, the third set of circuit for U1601 and grounding. Measured value is OL, infinite value, which indicates that the circuit goes with open circuit. Pin A2 and pin B2 of U1601 is connected to battery positive electrode via L1604. Preliminary judgment. L1604 has something to do with the fault. Our next move is to replace with the new L1604. Reverse the logic board and attach it to the PCB holder first. To protect connectors from high temperature, stick battery and charging port connectors with high temperature adhesive tape. Take down the shielding cover with hot air gun at 320 degrees. Then take down L1604. We can see that one pin of L1604 has been oxidized and cannot be tinned. Next, clean tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Also, when clean tins, add low melting point tins to the bonding pad with soldering iron. Then, apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Solder a new L1604 with hot air gun at 320 degrees. Wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Measure resistance between pin A2 and grounding again. The measure value is 386, normal value. Now we need to resolder U1601 to the logic board so that we can get the phone assembled and test if fault has been cleared. Still, rebolt U1601 before soldering. Clean tins on the detached U1601 first. Clean again with PCB cleaner. Get the BGA reboning stencil well aligned. Smear soldering paste evenly on the BGA reboning stencil. Blow with hot air gun at 320 degrees to help solder balls form completely. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Align U1601 to the right place. Don't reverse the direction. Solder with hot air gun at 320 degrees. With the chip sinking and paste flux overflowing, the soldering process is finished. Wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Get the logic board assembled and connect the battery. Buckle the display assembly and power on. One tips: get the phone fully assembled after fault clearance has been confirmed. Go to Settings, Sounds, Ringtone. Select a default ringtone, normal output sound this time. fault has been cleared. iPhone 6 no speaker sound issue fixed. And this is our iPhone 6 no speaker sound issue repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rewatechnology.com. See you next course.